Hello everyone, welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I'm going to keep this video as short as possible to give you the brief idea about what are the important topic you should revise for the RRB PO clerk means 2025. The exam is scheduled just after a week. एक हफ्ते के बाद आपका एग्जामिनेशन है. क्या कुछ टॉपिक आपको पढ़ लेने चाहिए, क्या आपके इंपॉर्टेंट मंथ्स हो सकते हैं, थोड़ा क्विक में मैं आपको आइडिया देने की कोशिश करूंगा. ठीक है, चलिए मूव करते हैं. ऑल्दो आई वाज नॉट इन मूड टू मेक द वीडियो, बट काफी बच्चों ने डिमांड की थी कि नहीं बता दीजिए, भले लास्ट मोमेंट पर बताइए. सो आई एम मेकिंग द वीडियो क्विकली. वन इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन, आवर बंडल पीडीएफ कोर्स फॉर द ईयर 2026 हैज बीन ऑलरेडी लॉन्च्ड. आपको डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर. आज एडिशनल 10% ऑफ चल रहा है, सो यू कैन चेक द डिटेल्स. Those who are preparing in your circle for the year 2026, उनको इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए that our bundle PDF course has been live for the year 2026, which will cover all the examinations of the year 2026. तो आप यहां पर डिटेल्स चेक कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, चलिए मैं क्विकली मूव करता हूं. लास्ट ईयर का एग्जाम पैटर्न अगर हम चेक करें ना, आरआरबी पीओ एग्जाम वाज नॉट इजी लास्ट ईयर. क्वेश्चंस थोड़े आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थे, अनएक्सपेक्टेड टाइप क्वेश्चंस वर देयर, बट स्टिल दे फॉलोड द पैटर्न ऑफ banking financial news. Questions came from the economic background or finance background or including RBI. वहां से भी questions आए थे, including NABARD related questions भी आते हैं in the RRB examination. So last year exam was scheduled on 29th of September. I am talking about the year 2024, and most of the questions which came from August, July, June, ये 3 months आपके important थे. After that May month से भी काफी questions आए थे. Even we had the question from the month of March and April last year. That is why most of the people were finding very difficulty to answer the questions. क्योंकि कैसे याद रहेंगे मार्च मंथ का करंट अफेयर्स, अप्रैल मंथ करंट अफेयर्स, व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग द एग्जामिनेशन इन द मंथ ऑफ सितंबर, तो आपके लिए डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है मार्च अप्रैल वगैरह याद रखना. दैट इज व्हाई दे कवर्ड फ्रॉम मार्च ऑनवर्ड्स टिल अगस्त कंप्लीटली. दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर द कैंडिडेट to remember for the examination. कुछ questions आए थे from the first week of September also, not even till 20th, but हाँ till 10th कुछ questions आए थे from the first week of September, एक या दो, not very high weightage. ठीक है, so this year also for the December month what you can do, we have in the first week of December MPC हमारे पास आया था, Monetary Policy Committee. Then parliamentary session was going on, so we had the update regarding Manrega scheme. Right, second we had the Shanti bill presented in the parliament. So if you know that from 1st to 10th of December already we had very important 2-3 news, and if you will cover that, you need not require to cover the December month current affairs. आपको दिसंबर के लिए टेंशन लेने का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. You can cover December month only in 1 hour or half an hour. You can cover it properly. ठीक है, but you need to go for November month, October, September and August in detail. मतलब इसके लिए मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूंगा, you should not skip any topic, even if you have awards और sports news और other important news. अगर books and authors मिल रहा है, so last 4 months you need to go through with complete confidence. ये 4 महीने आपको complete confidence से जाओ. Remaining, if you have time and you have prepared the current affairs before, then only you should go for the June and July. Otherwise this is not the correct time to start the current affairs of June and July. बिल्कुल गलत टाइम होगा अगर आप स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हो जून जुलाई का करंट अफेयर्स. डोंट डू दैट. Focus on these 4 months. कट ऑफ क्लियर कर लोगे आप जीए का, that will be that much questions will come from the last 4 months. If you want to score very high, then you need to cover 6 to 7 month current affairs for sure for the RRB. मैं डरा नहीं रहा हूं, आपको रियलिटी बता रहा हूं. ठीक है, so June and July if you want to cover right now for the revision purpose, then you should focus on few very important topic. Like majority of the topic will be government scheme. Second है आपका RBI circular. Maybe few people will comment, sir, in the recent examination we have not seen more questions from the RBI circular. Still guys, we cannot skip the topic like banking financial news, RBI circular, because we are going for the banking examination. In which exam they will suddenly raise the level of the question from the RBI circular, we don't know. तो ये वाले topic आप skip नहीं कर सकते. For any examination you have to cover. So easy circulars cover it. जो recent updates हुए हैं, like number of nominees increased from 1 to 4. Recently we have the new guideline for the gold loan, gold against silver, कब से implement हो रहा है, at least deadline and all, वो वाला एरिया आप कंप्लीट करो. नो नीड टू गो वेरी डीप इनटू द सर्कुलर टॉपिक. हाँ, Banking and financial news, business news you need to cover. Last year also business news, acquisition, merger type of questions were a lot. Like new project launched by Google, Suncatcher scheme or Suncatcher project launched by the Google. These type of news will be important, which comes under the business news category, जो business news का part है. Now, talking about the exam of 2025, one of the most trending topic in the previous examination, IBPS PO exam, SBI PO exam, most of the questions came in the year 2025 from the topic news of national importance, where we had any bill presented in the parliament, PM Modi honored by any other country recently, GI tag recently given to any particular or very important thing. तो इस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस हमको देखने के लिए ज्यादा मिले in the year 2025. So this topic is going to be important and evergreen for you. Now because we are going for the RRB examination, क्योंकि हम RRB exam के लिए जा रहे हैं, the trend of RRB exam says that we should cover recent update in the agriculture banking, like agriculture infrastructure fund. Although I am going to take the marathon session on 25th, so I will cover all these topic in the marathon. मैं ये topic cover करूंगा marathon में, आपको वहां पर भी करवा दूंगा. Agriculture infrastructure fund, NAV Ventures, which is managed by NABARD. Then प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि, प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना. Recently प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, there was an update that if any crop will be disturbed by, means damaged by the wildlife animals also, that will be covered under pradhan mantri fasal bima yojana. That was not covered previously, so it is an update under pradhan mantri fasal bima yojana, cover karna padega. Then static schemes hai, pradhan mantri jeevan jyoti bima yojana, suraksha bima yojana, atal pension yojana. All these comes under the category of a small saving scheme. If you are there in the hustle batch, you can directly check in the current affairs part, in the banking awareness part, small saving schemes. There you will be able to find the details of all of them. वहां पर आपको मिल जाएगा. अच्छा, मनरेगा भी recently आपका update हुआ है. The new bill VBG Ramji bill was passed in the parliament and approved by the president of India. एक क्वेश्चन इसके ऊपर बनने का हैवी चांसेस है अपार्ट फ्रॉम शांति बिल. दिस इज फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर. ठीक है, एक और चीज रहेगा आपका एमपीसी मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी दिसंबर 2025. अपार्ट फ्रॉम आई एम टेलिंग यू एग्जैक्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स ऑल्सो जहां से डेफिनेट चांसेस हैं क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में बनने के. ठीक है, करंट अफेयर्स स्कीम की बात करें, सो आरआरबी रिकैपिटलाइजेशन स्कीम, वन स्टेट वन आरआरबी, ऑल्दो इट इज मोर देन 3 months ओल्ड, स्टिल वी हैव टू कवर इट. मई मंथ में अपडेट हुआ था, बट स्टिल वी नीड टू कवर वन स्टेट वन आरआरबी recapitalization. I will also cover all these schemes on the marathon which I am planning, 251 top MCQs for the RRB PO mains on 25th of December. Timing I'll update later as per the availability of the slot on the channel, because Guidely YouTube channel पर ही होगा. So as per the availability of slot and as per my availability also, but day is fixed. 25th of December को करेंगे. By 24th I'll wind up the syllabus in my hustle batch. 25th I'll be available on YouTube to do this particular session properly. For 2 to 3 hours we will be doing the session. You can join this Telegram group right now to get the information about it, about the session, and the PDF of session will also be available in this group. One more time I am giving you one very important information. Our bundle PDF course is live for the year 2026. So after this examination, if you are planning to prepare for 2026, that until unless I will not have the offer letter in my hand, I want to prepare for our 2026 examination. So go for the bundle PDF course. It is one of the most common thing which is suggested by each and every topper who are selected for this year. They will suggest you bundle PDF. So go for it. Check the details. Join it today. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.